Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for being here. So I am making my lunch meal prep for the week and I am doing an awesome keto friendly recipe this week. I'm going to do some mini meatloaves and some mashed cauliflower. I have been craving mashed cauliflower. I love it. It is so good, you guys. Just like mashed potatoes, but cauliflower, so super healthy. So I have all my ingredients. I'm gonna use ground turkey for my mini meatloaves. I love ground turkey. It's just so lean and not, this is 85% lean, 15% fat, but really great lean protein. So I love ground turkey. And I love meatloaf. So this is gonna be an awesome lunch for this week. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe. I have tons of healthy meal prepping ideas to give you guys some inspiration to do some meal prepping for the week, for your breakfast, your lunch. I've got dinners on there also, so make sure you check out my channel if you need some meal prep inspiration. All right, I'm gonna get all this lunch made up for the week. I'm gonna make my mini meatloaves in these silicone muffin molds. I use these for seriously everything. The cleanup is so easy. I really prefer it over like spraying my muffin pan because these just pop right out. You don't have to use cooking spray or anything, and then they just clean really easily. So I love these. I have had them forever. If you've been around my channel, you know I use them a ton. So I'm gonna get all this made up. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, I'm using this onion soup mix. It's just like a dry powder, but has so much flavor. It is so good in meatloafs, and just onion dip itself with chips is so addicting, you guys. But I'm gonna pour that in, and I'm going to use 2 eggs for this, and then I have 2/3 a cup of almond flour. So almond flour is gonna keep this keto for this recipe. You can use breadcrumbs if you'd like, if you don't want to make it keto. And then I have my no sugar added ketchup. This stuff is awesome. It tastes exactly like regular ketchup, but no sugar added, which we definitely love. So I have 1/2 cup of that, and I am just going to mix this all together and so that it's all the way combined. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a cookie sheet and I'm gonna line all of my silicone liners on the cookie sheet. You can use a muffin tin pan also, but I like to use this big cookie sheet because more fits on it. And I just love these colorful silicone molds. They are definitely my favorite, you guys. So I'm going to put a scoop of the turkey meatloaf mixture into each silicone cup. So these cups, you do not have to spray them with cooking spray. They are so easy for cleanup, and these little mini meatloaves, they're just gonna pop right out. And I love these muffin tins for so many things, and it's just awesome to use them all the time. I use them for breakfast a lot and for regular muffins also, but it is just perfect for this meatloaf. So while the meatloaf is cooking, I'm going to steam my cauliflower for the mashed cauliflower. So I just have a head of cauliflower that I just chopped up, and I'm gonna cook this for about 10 minutes so it gets nice and soft. Okay, so cauliflower is done, super hot. I'm going to add in all of the ingredients. So I have some minced garlic. I have some sour cream, 1/2 cup of sour cream. I have 1/2 cup of whipping cream. And then I'm just gonna add in a little bit of pepper to taste, so however much you would like. And so I have the heavy whipping cream, and I am going to use my little immersion blender to mash all this up, and it gives it a really awesome consistency and makes it so nice and smooth. All right, so my mini meatloaves and my mashed cauliflower are all done. I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers. You guys know, if you've been around, I love these meal prep containers. They're glass, super great quality. I got them on Amazon. So I'll put a link to them in the description box if you need some new meal prep containers. These ones are awesome, perfect size. I'm gonna portion all this out. So these meatloaves, they just pop right out of this silicone little cup, you guys. I seriously love these. All right, you guys, this lunch is so healthy, so good, and it's really easy also. If you've been around my channel, you know I love easy recipes. So this one's definitely easy, and it is delicious. So it doesn't get any better than that. I hope that you guys have a really great rest of your weekend. Hope you enjoyed this meal prep for some meal prep inspiration for you to make some healthy food for the week to have ready. So if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification when I post new videos. Tons of new videos coming out, you guys. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.